welcome to my channel, Crafty Ketovore. It is Wednesday, July 5th. I'm getting ready to run to Schnucks to pick up my beef fat trimmings and to the Dollar Tree to see what I can find there. So I will see you in a little bit. Good morning. Leaving Schnucks now. Taking the scenic route to get to the Dollar Tree. Enjoy! So I have a small Dollar Tree haul today, just very small. It's only like 5 items, but I thought I would go ahead and show you just so I can put something on this video other than what I'm eating. So start off with, I got one of these splatter screens. I had one before when I lived by myself. I will have to keep it in the other room because I think my dad might have a cow if I keep this in the kitchen once it gets nasty. So yeah, I love these things. I don't really cook that often. I mean, like my bacon in just a frying pan, and if I do, it's usually only a couple pieces to go in my scrambled eggs. And then I saw this. I thought it was really cute. It's just a silicone mold. Well, I guess it's silicone. It's not as soft as some of the other ones. Hopefully it works, but I thought it was cute. The other one, it had a picture of a flamingo under it, but the mold didn't look anything like a flamingo, so I'm like, you know what, that just looks silly. And I've always wanted one of these. I don't know what I'm going to use it in because, well, I don't know. My pans I use mostly are non-stick, but I have one now. One of these days I'll get one of the wooden ones that I can use in my non-stick pans. So, there's that. And I got one of these because, and this was one of the $5 items, well, because it had a green sleeve on it. And this is one of my favorite shades of green. Green is my favorite color, but I'm very particular about my shades of green that I love. This is one of them that I love. And I also like an olive or an army green. That's another one of my favorites. I don't care for grass green. I don't like, if I can get it out of here without tearing everything up, I don't like this particular kind of green. It's not my favorite. I mean, it's okay, just I would rather have others. So, next. These felt pretty sturdy, so that's why I got them. It was one of the $5 items. They feel like they're not going to break very easily, and I really like wooden utensils. I only have one wooden spoon up there. I've gotten Dollar Tree wooden spoons in the past, and they just break. But these feel pretty sturdy, so I am hoping that they will be. It comes in this nifty little container. And then the last thing I got, I wanted to see how much keto carnivore stuff I could find at Dollar Tree. And the only thing I really found was this. They never had these before. But since they added $3 and $5 items to their store, this was $3. And I thought this would be perfect because this is like a lunch right here. So let's see, here are the Don't know if you can see that. There's 6 servings in a container. That doesn't look like 6 servings. The whole box is a serving. Yeah, well, maybe not. That would be 600 calories, but I mean, you know, if you fit it into your macros, I guess it's okay. And you know what I like about it is the fact that it is just beef. Add some salt to this. Yum. I love these things. These are the things that I always used to mix with my Brussels sprouts cooked in bacon grease. Well, I'm trying to ditch the Brussels sprouts. I still have the 2 bags left in my freezer, but honestly, I don't really miss them that much. I mean, I do love them so much, but I'm not missing them right now. Because when I do, I mean, I was going through like 3 bags a day. Or, wrong. 3 bags a week of the Brussels sprouts. And that's too much, especially with the stomach issues that they cause. I tossed the freezer burnt cauliflower and broccoli that I had in there. There was only 1 bag. And I tossed my old bags of frozen spinach. There was 2 bags of that in there. I just haven't gotten the guts yet to toss out my bags of Brussels sprouts. And there's no one else in the family, well, here in the house. I mean, it's just me and my dad, but I know my son won't eat them because he hates them. He always complains when he walks in, "You're cooking those feet things again." And my dad, when he walks in after I've been cooking, he's like, "Oh, you cooked those Brussels sprouts again." So, I don't know. I might see if my sister wants them, because I think she still eats them. And it wasn't, she was the one that helped me to learn to love Brussels sprouts like 20 years ago. Well, maybe not that long ago, 15 years ago, something like that. She had a soap shop years ago. I would say it was probably about 14 or 15 years ago. And we both grew up hating Brussels sprouts because my mother boiled them. Blech. And she brought them into the shop one day and she told me that they were roasted. And I became addicted to them after that. Oh my gosh, I was so addicted. Ugh. Anyway, trying to stay away from the Brussels sprouts. And also, I picked up on Friday, was it Friday? No, it was Monday. Monday. Oh gosh, I hope that didn't break. That was the wooden spoons and whatnot rolled off my bed. So Monday I went into Schnucks and I ordered 10 pounds of beef fat trimmings and I picked them up today. Ugh. And I'm going to have to just stick these in the refrigerator and then tomorrow I'm going to like divvy them up into bags and freeze. So this is my beef fat trimmings. 10 pounds. Whew. Heavy. So yeah, I'm just going to stick this in the refrigerator. Divvy them up tomorrow. And then I also picked up one of these. I'll probably just stick this in the freezer. I always go for the reduced for quick sale items. And then if I know I'm not going to eat them that day, I'll stick them in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to eat them, then I will take them out that day. Hopefully it's still good. Usually when I see these, if I see any kind of brown on them at all, I'm like, nah, I'll wait. I'll wait till there's one with no brown on it. All right. So, I will come back when I am eating something, or when I'm getting ready to eat something. It is 10, almost 10:15. I've not broken my fast yet, not ready to break my fast yet. It's probably going to be at least another hour before I break my fast. I need to go find room in my refrigerator for that. So, I'll see you back here in a little bit. Alright, so I found room in my refrigerator for the beef fat trimmings, but I thought I would go ahead and give you a little tour of my refrigerator. I have a refrigerator down here just for my stuff. Yeah, my dad bought me the refrigerator when I first moved in here so that I would have a place to, have my stuff hang out while I'm, since I live down here. So anyway, I will go show you what is in my fridge and freezer. Okay, so my refrigerator lives in the furnace room. The furnace room. Where we also store lots of stuff that nobody has seen in years. So, here we go. This is my refrigerator. So, as you can see, I have lots of fizzy waters. I got a Milo's tea that I bought last week that I have not opened yet. Here's where I keep all of my mustards down here and sauces. I got these at Gordon Food Service, the jalapenos, but they were just way too hot for me, so I haven't touched them since I bought them. Some more mustard that I didn't have room for down there. And then my Zevias, the rest of my Zevias, my favorites. I got cola, creamy root beer, and then the cream. And then more fizzy waters, all kinds of fizzy waters. More Zevia, not my favorite one. That's the ginger root beer. It's okay, but it's not my favorite. My cottage cheese, sour cream. I need to take those up and wash them. I got a bunch of those sparkling ice down there. I've had them down there for so long, I don't touch them. I don't know why I got so many of them. Got some hard-boiled eggs down there. Where all my cheeses are. More fizzy waters. That's rotisserie chicken I need to cut up and do something with, put in containers. And then I got some pepperoni in there. Some blackberries. There's the 10 pounds of beef fat trimmings. Some of those beefy bacon butter bites, butter bars, whatever you want to call them. Some eggs, and then in my freezer there's the 2 bags of Brussels sprouts that I'm trying not to touch. So those were the butcher bundle that I got the other day. The 2 packages are just leg quarters, and the other one I can't remember. It's pork, but I just can't remember what they are. I got some chicken, and then well, I showed you that the other day. I can't turn the light on. So, the chicken thighs from Costco, burgers from Aldi, I believe. Yeah, I think that's from Aldi. The bacon from Costco, more bacon from Costco, butter from Costco. The steakums that I just got at Dollar Tree. And the steak that I got these at Aldi a while back. This came from Aldi. This box of steakums came from Walmart. I usually get the box of 21, but they were out. So we've got 8 packages of the Aldi sausage. I only like the Aldi sausage because it doesn't have sugar in it. And I got 2 packages of something back there. Oh yeah. So what is that called? Pork belly. I don't remember what the other one is on top. I think it's pork chops. And then this is the salted butter, unsalted butter, and then coffee. And there you go. That is the tour of my refrigerator and freezer. So this is my favorite fizzy water right here, one of them. The other one is the strawberry bubbly. I have other favorites, but I don't think I have any. Alright, there you go. Oh, those are probably going to be what's for dinner. Maybe, probably tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is dishwasher night, so. So there you go. Alright, so this is going to be my dinner tonight. It is 6 ounces of the sausage ground beef mixture, and then 2 slices of Swiss cheese, and then I've got 14 grams of the bacon crumbles, and then I'm going to sprinkle some of this butt rub on there, and just so you can see, these are the ingredients in the butt rub. So that's going to be dinner tonight. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and break my fast in just a couple of minutes. Probably about 5 minutes, I guess. But I thought before I do, I'll go ahead and show you what I've got here to break my fast with. This is, if I wait another 5 minutes, I guess, or at least till 12:20, I'll be at 21 hours. So in here I've got 3 ounces of chicken right here, and then I've got 1 serving, which I believe is 15 ounces of pepperoni. I've got 1 of my beefy bacon butter bars, and 42 grams of pork rinds, and an avocado. And I think that was all. I got my salt. I have some Redmond real salt coming, I guess, tomorrow. It hasn't gotten here yet. I was supposed to get, well, my Vitacost order was supposed to get here today, but I don't think it's going to. It probably won't get here till tomorrow, because I was going to do a Vitacost haul, but it's not even out for delivery. So I don't know. I mean, it still could show up today. If I do decide to do the haul today, it'll be before this segment. But yeah, so this is the stuff I'm going to break my fast with. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Yes, I've changed clothes since this morning. I got too sweaty. I had to change out of my clothes. So it's, I'm not sure what the temperature is right now, but oh, look. It's hotter than that. It says 89 degrees. Feels like 97. So that's the current temperature right now. It's supposed to get to 95 today. Oh, now it says 93. And we're supposed to have some strong storms. So, alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and eat now because I'm starting to get hungry. And I hope everyone has a great evening. If you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would really, really appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.